You can still see it's just running, and yes, now it generated an output that we're able to see here. But again, what was this function about? Well, I clicked on statistics and then I right clicked on it, clicked on run. So again, this is statistics is what? It is an output node actually. If you see here, it's an output node. But the modeling is not covered by it. The modeling was supposed to be taken care of by this, which is a time series mode. So that is what happens, that when you create a stream, okay, you'll be taking the sources, the nodes from the sources, and then you'll be associating or connecting them using field ops or record ops nodes. And then thereafter, you'll also be using uh, the models that are used for the analysis perspective, finally followed by those people, finally followed by those nodes which will be used for generating the outputs. So out here we have the outputs that we are seeing here. We also have graphs in between that can be used for generating any output, so that we can see the outputs in form of graphical representations also. And what all now remains is, yeah, the models and the types. Yeah, that's what we are on, and model nuggets. So we are done with graphs. Now, when you see on the graphs, they have this different set of graphs that are available over here. We also saw the different modeling types, and we saw the output. So in the output, you can get the data and the details in terms of table, in terms of matrix, form of an analysis, data audit transform, statistics, means, report. So these are the different outputs that can be output nodes that will have to be added or incorporated into your stream that you intend to work upon. Then we have export that I explained you earlier, that you can use any of these export nodes which should be connected to the output mostly, and then when you export it, it will be able to export in the given set of formats, and the given options are available over there. Model nuggets, yeah, that's what I showed you all here also. This is called as a model nugget. So what happens is, supposedly, if I were to run from here, I select this particular file data set, I click run. So you can see here that the execution is happening over here. They're executing this. Execution feedback is being provided here. Execution may override the following objects. Do you want it? Yes, okay. Right. So this is the output that it has generated when you ran the time series analysis node. Of course, that is the output that we have generated. It gives you the real detailing in terms of the values that you have for your given data set that is important. So these are the different export nodes that we have for Python and Spark. Yes, we need to have the stated codes also available that we can run on the given data sets. But the good thing is SPSS modeler allows us to work with Python also, and in some cases even R, even in case of R programming. Then we have Spark. So again, IBM SPSS modeler allows the Spark codes also, or not the codes, the method, the models to be incorporated into the data stream, which can be used for generating the desired or the reliable output. And then lastly, we have IBM SPSS text analytics. So what it does is, these are the set of models that are available for conducting text analytics. Now, obviously, there could be some changes into how the outputs are getting generated vis-a-vis the text analytics and the normal analytics that we conduct on the given data set. So text analytics and output analytics will be different. And thereafter, what remains is, yeah, models and the types are done. Model nuggets is also done. But like what are model nuggets? Model nuggets, these are the outputs that get generated Once you run any program or any stream or any model, which should generate an output as a form of nugget. So what is nugget? Let us click on this. Yeah, it gives you the complete output settings, the summaries and the annotations. So it gives you the entire output for the given model. So this is what we have as far as understanding different type of graphical user interface. And then we also have the menus and all the features of the softwares are concerned. That is something that you can see it over here, and it has been explained in last 1 hour. So we can also use the help menu from the IBM's modeler, SPSS modeler website or web link, because not everything that you do would be you would be able to understand. It is always advised that if you're not sure about which model to use, you should always take a look at the help section.